Well, I am pleased to announce that Daniels Model Railway is finally reopened, and all the engines have got NHS on here, on the front of the engines, as heading boards. There are exits here on Daniels Model Railway. This is the exit. There's a one-way system which goes around here, up through here, and the station where you can get your tickets, and then go through onto the platform where you can board the train. There are 2-metre signs about saying please keep your distance, and there's an exit. So the exit is through the gift shop. We do allow for passenger services on and break van specials. Unfortunately for this year, we have had to cancel all our events of this year. But we do have fish and chip specials still on. Yeah. But we still have fish and chip specials still on. And we also have steam passenger trains, and we also still have steam passenger train service. And we also still have steam passenger train service. Yeah. And we also have steam passenger train service. I said that about 4 times already. Steam passenger. I was going to say more. But there is still. This is what we call new normal at Daniels Model Railway. When you come to the railway, you will be welcomed at the station. We hope you can join on. We hope you can enjoy Daniels Model Railway.